Hey guys, what's up? This is Daza Vlogs, and today I have a request. Oh my god, I'm assuming this person is from Thailand since I'm Thai mixed. So this is great. I didn't know the Masked Singer was in different countries. I thought the Masked Singer was only in Korea. That's the first time I saw it because Luna was on the show. FX Fighting, woo! It's gonna be the Masked Singer Thailand. Yes. Set fire to the rain. Here we go. 23 Michael Jordan. Oh shit, it's loud. It's a pineapple suit. Oh, that's the stinky fruit, the jackfruit, the stinky fruit. What's it called? I hate that smell. Woo. They're in shock. Durian fruit, that's it, sorry. That's a cool suit. A paper? What is that? Confetti? Paper? That looks so real. That was amazing. Wow. Even she said at the end it was amazing. Um, I don't know who the singer is. I haven't kept up with the newest and the latest Thai singers. I'm more of the 90s, early 2000s era. You know what I'm saying? Raptor. You know what I'm saying? Raffy Nancy, Dome, Junior Voy, all the Generation Next people, Pookie, all that stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. Lewis Scott. I love Lewis Scott. So I don't know who that singer is. It's probably a newcomer, not too new, but involved enough. If it is a Thai singer, it's probably a half Thai, half European singer. The accent, the enunciation is so clean. So I'm trying to figure out who it might be. You know, there's so much going on now. They're trying to up it. The thing with Thailand is just like versus everything else. Not to compare. They're trying to keep it at a minimum of not too raunchy because of cultural reasons. They don't want to do too much pop. Even if they try, it ends up looking like J-pop or K-pop type style. But I know that for a fact they won't go as far as other countries when it comes to westernizing their style a little bit or making it a little mainstream, or you know what I mean. They'll try to keep it at a minimum. They'll try, but they won't go as high, or you know, yeah. So every country is different with its like pop music and you know the way they do things, because it's kind of like we can't do that because. So that was an amazing performance. It makes you feel like what's gonna happen next. Was that the first performance from the singer, whoever he may be, with the amazing voice? Ooh, he hit that note like crazy. Everyone went crazy. Everybody on that panel I recognized from watching Lacorns growing up. They're mainly actors, singers, or comedians. The dude with the I don't know their I don't know their name, but they're classic. They're old school. They've been around for 30 plus years. The shorter gentleman with the tied hair. I actually have one of his movies. That one dinosaur movie he did. Yeah, these people have been around a while, so like very mysterious. They masked not only the face, the whole freaking body. You can't even see a fingertip or a nail. You know, they really mask. When they say masking it, we're gonna mask your whole body. Wow, that was a great performance. I loved it, you guys. Thank you so much for the requests. Very tempted to see the next video. Let me know. Alright, thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.